Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use outfit presets in Heartopia. So Heartopia has a really useful preset feature that makes it much easier for you to switch clothes and outfit styles quickly without changing everything one by one. But before you can use this feature, you need to unlock it first. And to do that, just go to your clothes menu and make sure your collections reach 0.800 over here. And once it's unlocked, open your Trace app menu. Just open your smartwatch and then just tap on Trace app and then just tap on the button right corner, this one, and then in here you can see your preset that you already saved before. And to make a new preset, just set up your outfit however you like. For example, maybe I want to make a new preset. For example, I want to make my look like this, and then just tap on preset, and then next just tap on save as preset, and then tap on new preset, and then after that just give it the preset name. For example, like this, and then after that just tag please and then confirm like this and just like that. And if you want to use it later, just open the preset menu again, and then next just choose the preset that you want to wear like this, and then next just tap on complete, and then next just tap on save like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.